And on that note, I want to take you live to the Milimani law courts, where I do understand we do have our reporter Ruth Wamboi. Ruth, good afternoon. We have had major developments from the corridors of justice this afternoon. It's not just the housing levy, but also we do understand the ongoing case of Jackie Maribe and Jowie. And also give us a brief on that particular ruling that has just been made on the deployment of 1,000 police officers to Haiti.
Thank you so much, Abdiaziz, back from the studio. We are here live at the Milimani law courts. Today it has been a running of helter-skelter for me here from the Court of Appeal to the High Court. And we saw in the morning at around 10 a.m. The Court of Appeal released a judgment about the housing levy, and it declined to grant the stay orders that had been sought by the government, which had gone to the Court of Appeal after feeling it was not pleasured with the decision that was given out by the High Court. So the Court of Appeal has given out its verdict today, and it has declined to give the government the stay orders that it had went to court to sort for. Again, a few minutes later at around noon, we also had the Jackie Maribe's case at the High Court before Justice Grace Nzioka, who the judgment for the late businessman Monica Kimani, who was murdered in 2018, the judgment was to be delivered today, but it was postponed until 15th March 2024, when the court will give the judgment. This is after Jackie Maribe, who is the second accused in the court, applied through his lawyer Katwa Kigen to have the judgment postponed, citing she was unwell and had gone to hospital. So the Justice Nzioka said that now that Maribe said she needed 7 days so that she told the court that she would be okay after 7 days. The court allowed the adjournment, but the judge's diary is full to the brim. So she said the whole of February she will not be able to deliver the judgment. She will now come to Nairobi from Naivasha, because she's a presiding judge at Naivasha locus. Now she will come back to Nairobi on 15th of March to deliver the judgment. So it's a justice delayed for the families, who are now saying that the judgment is taking too long. Remember, it was postponed again in December when the judgment was to be delivered, but that time it was on the side of the court that was not ready. But today it is the second accused who was not ready. The first accused, Joseph Irungu alias Jowie, was in court, but now for a judgment to be delivered, all the suspects must be in court. So we wait until 15th March for that judgment. And again, it's a blow to the government. At the High Court today, Justice Chacha Mwita has said that the deployment of the 1,000 police officers to Haiti is illegal, and that the government and the National Council cannot go ahead and deploy the police officers to Haiti. So that one is a major blow to the government, as it will have to go back to the drawing board and see what to do next, because the decision or the orders that has been given by Justice Chacha Mwita have decided that the move by the government was illegal. So those are some of the stories that have been following up in court today, and I will file a detailed report at our subsequent bulletin. Back to you.
Thank you so much. That is our reporter Ruth Wamboi just informing us on those three major cases, one from the Court of Appeal and two from the lower courts that has just transpired at the corridors of justice. Of course, more in our subsequent bulletins. Now, members of the Fourth Estate across the country are mourning following the demise of one of our own, that is Dickens Wesonga, who is a star journalist. And on top of that, he is the Kisumu Journalist Network chair who died in a grisly road accident. To just brief us on what transpired is our reporter Wycliffe, who is currently in Kisumu. Wycliffe, what more can you tell us about this grisly accident that happened this morning?